Twinkle, twinkle, little star, fell down softly not too far, landed near a jungle tree, cried, "Oh, help, please rescue me." Baby elephant heard the sound, tiptoed gently on the ground. "Climb my trunk," she said with glee, "I'll lift you back so you can see." Up she raised the star so high, back into the glowing sky.
I'm Coco.
And I'm Max.
Let's ride with us and learn the ABCs. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Say them all so easily. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Clap your hands and try again. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Letters are so fun to do. V and W, X, Y, Z. Now you learn them all with me. Come, little children, now you see. You are smart as smart can be. See you next time. Bye bye. Sunday, Sunday, let's all cheer. It's a fun and happy day, my dear. Monday, Monday, school is back. Time to learn and wear my pack. Tuesday, Tuesday, books are bright. I read and write from morning to night. Wednesday, Wednesday, halfway done. We sing and play and have some fun. Thursday, Thursday, almost there. We finish work with love and care. Friday, Friday, hooray, hooray, it's Jummah time. We go and pray. Saturday, Saturday, rest and play with family fun all through the day. One by one they come and go. 7 days that help us grow. Say them loud, sing them clear. The days of the week we all hold dear. Sunday, Sunday,